Hey friends, it's me, Jenny, and today I wanted to show you this little t-shirt project that I had worked on. It's a Minecraft t-shirt that I got from Target for about, I think it was $8 or $9. And I just wanted to add a little decoration on the sides of the sleeves and at the bottom of the shirt. I did not want to get too crazy with this shirt because it was meant for gifts, so I wanted to leave most of this shirt intact, but also I had all these awesome beads and I wanted to add some cute little beads, customize the colors, and try to color coordinate with the beads and the color of the shirt design. First I cut some slits down the edges of the top of the sleeves. Usually I like to have a couple extra strands of the shirt material. I cut off the bottom seam of the shirt and then I cut off one extra strand along the edge of the bottom. At the bottom of the shirt I wound up just cutting some slits. Here's where it wasn't really clear how I was weaving the shirt. If you've never done any t-shirt weaving before, I have a few beginner videos how to do the classic weave. But basically you just take the strand at the very top and you pull the second strand through and then the third strand through the second strand. And if you want to add any beads along the way, then now's a chance to add beads. Usually when I add beads to my strands, then I'll use a bobby pin, but you can also use something else, like you can use a strand of thread. I hope you have fun and discover some cool new techniques. Tag DIY with Jenny if you want, and I would love to see your creations. Thanks to all my subscribers, and special thanks to my Patreon supporters and Twitch subs. Hope you have a great day, friends, and I'll talk to you soon. See you next time. Bye.